How to set a lower quality video on OBS. Hey guys, if you want to save up your space and storage, this is how you can lower the output quality on OBS Studio. So here, what you can do is simply open up OBS. I'm currently recording this screen using OBS itself as well. So if you want to change the output quality, you're going to have to go to the File option here and then open up your settings. Once your settings is open, go to the Output tab, and I have currently selected the Advanced mode. If you haven't, make sure that you do this on Advanced mode. Now, under the encoder settings, you want to go to Recording first, and then you want to change the input here. So what you basically do is change the encoder settings. What you have to do here is change the rate control. Then what you can also do is CPU usage preset. You can do this from placebo, very slow, slower, slow, medium, all the way up to ultra fast. And once you do that, you should be able to change the recording type. Now you can just go ahead and click on OK, and you're good to go. So that's how you basically change the recording output quality on OBS Studio. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.